Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Chill Talk English. I'm Henry.
And I'm Emma. Last episode, we learned how to use going to for future plans, like, I am going to visit my family next week.
That's right. We covered the structure am, is, are, plus going to, plus verb, and practiced with role plays and quizzes.
Today, we're moving on to Scene 2, where we'll explore using will for future decisions.
Have you ever made a decision in the moment and said, I'll do that right now? That's exactly what will is for.
Unlike going to, which is for plans you've already made, will is for decisions you make at the moment of speaking.
If you've ever been confused about when to use will versus going to, today's episode will clear everything up for you.
By learning to use will correctly, you'll be able to make spontaneous decisions, offers, and promises in English.
So, why should you listen to today's episode? First, you'll learn to make quick decisions in English without hesitation.
Second, you'll master offers and promises using will in various situations.
And third, you'll understand the key difference between will and going to avoid common mistakes.
These skills will help you in everyday conversations, from offering help to making last-minute plans.
Learning English is like building a house, one phrase at a time.
Today, we're adding the will foundation to your English language house.
With these phrases, you can go from confusion to clear communication about spontaneous decisions.
I remember when I was asked to help a tourist find their way around the city. I immediately said, I will help you.
Oh no! Did that cause any confusion?
Not at all. It was the perfect use of will for a decision made at the moment of speaking.
That's exactly why learning when to use will is so important for real-life conversations.
I had a friend who missed a job opportunity because he couldn't make offers properly in English.
Was that difficult for him?
Very. He didn't know how to say, I will help with that project when the manager asked for volunteers.
That's exactly why we're creating this scene today, to help people like him make decisions and offers clearly.
Today, we'll focus on using will for 3 purposes: decisions, offers, and promises.
We'll show you the structure, subject plus will plus verb, and provide plenty of examples.
Each section will have guided practice, role plays, and quizzes to help you remember.
We'll make it fun and easy so you can use these phrases in real-life situations.
At the end, we have a quick quiz to test what you've learned.
Plus, we'll give you a challenge to practice using these will phrases.
Make sure to listen carefully for our quick quiz at the end of this scene.
It's a fun way to check how much you've learned about using will.
If you enjoy today's episode, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
That helps more people find Chill Talk English and learn with us.
You can also share this episode with friends who want to improve their English.
Let's get started with Scene 2. Scene 2. Using will for future decisions. Guided response.
Welcome to our second scene. We're learning about will for future decisions.
Will is different from going to. We use will for decisions we make at the moment of speaking.
First, let's look at the structure.
Subject plus will plus verb.
For example,
I will call you later.
or,
She will help you with that.
or.
They will come to the party.
We also use will for offers and promises.
For offers,
I will help you with your bags.
for promises,
I will be there on time. Let's practice some more examples.
I will make dinner tonight.
He will meet us at the restaurant.
We will visit you next week.
She will bring the documents tomorrow.
They will join us for coffee.
Remember to use will with all subjects: I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Excellent! These phrases will help you make decisions and offers in many situations.
Let's move on to some role plays to see how these phrases work in real conversations.
Role play. Now let's practice with a role play. I'll be Tom and Emma will be Lisa.
Hi, Tom. I need help with my computer. It's not working.
Hi, Lisa. Don't worry. I will help you with it right now.
Thank you so much. I will make you some tea while you work on it.
That's very kind of you. I think I know what the problem is. I will fix it quickly.
Great. I will get the tea for you now.
Thank you. While I'm working, could you tell me what happened?
I was working on my report and the screen went black. I will show you what I was doing.
Okay, I will take a look. I think it might be a simple problem.
I hope so. I have an important meeting tomorrow, so I will need my computer working.
Don't worry. I will have it fixed for you before you leave.
You're the best. I will pay you for your help, of course.
No problem at all. Friends help each other. I'll be done in about 20 minutes.
Perfect. I will wait right here. Thank you again.
Great job with the role plays. Now let's move on.
It's time for some shadowing practice, where you can repeat the phrases after us.
Shadowing practice. Now it's your turn. I'll say a phrase and you repeat after me. Remember to copy my pronunciation and intonation. We'll begin slowly, then gradually increase the speed.
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
She will help you with that.
She will help you with that.
They will come to the party.
They will come to the party.
I will make dinner tonight.
I will make dinner tonight.
He will meet us at the restaurant.
He will meet us at the restaurant.
We will visit you next week.
We will visit you next week.
She will bring the documents tomorrow.
She will bring the documents tomorrow.
They will join us for coffee.
They will join us for coffee. Great work. This time, try saying it faster.
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
She will help you with that.
She will help you with that.
They will come to the party.
They will come to the party.
I will make dinner tonight.
I will make dinner tonight.
He will meet us at the restaurant.
He will meet us at the restaurant.
We will visit you next week.
We will visit you next week.
She will bring the documents tomorrow.
She will bring the documents tomorrow.
They will join us for coffee.
They will join us for coffee. Wonderful. You're doing great with pronunciation. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more confident you'll become.
That's right. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning. The important thing is to keep trying. You're doing great.
Now, let's move on to the comprehension check.
Let's check your understanding. Answer true or false.
I will call you later is a decision made at the moment of speaking.
True.
She will help you with that is about a past promise.
False. It's about a future promise or offer.
They will come to the party is about something happening now.
False. It's about a future decision or plan.
Now, let's move on to the vocabulary and phrase breakdown. We'll go over some important words and phrases from this scene.
Decision. A choice you make. Example. I made a decision to study English every day.
Offer. Something you suggest to help someone. Example, I will offer to help my neighbor with groceries.
Promise. Saying you will definitely do something. Example, I promise to call you tomorrow.
Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz.
We'll ask you some questions about using will for future decisions. Listen carefully and choose the best answer. Ready? Let's start.
Question 1. How do you say, I will call you later? Options. A. I call you later. B. I will call you later. C. I am calling you later. Answer B. I will call you later.
Question 2. Which sentence is correct?
Options. A. She will helps you with that. B. She will help you with that. C. She will helping you with that. Answer B. She will help you with that.
Question 3. How do you make an offer to help someone?
Options. A. I help you. B. I will help you. C. I am helping you. Answer B. I will help you.
Question 4. Which sentence is about a future decision?
Options. A. I am cooking dinner now. B. I cooked dinner yesterday. C. I will make dinner tonight. Answer C. I will make dinner tonight. Question 5. How do you make a promise? Options. A. I promise to call you. B. I will promise to call you. C. I am promising to call you. Answer A. I promise to call you. Great work, everyone. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned in Scene 2, using will for future decisions.
You practiced some useful phrases like, I will call you later. She will help you with that. They will come to the party.
We also did role plays, shadowing practice, a comprehension check, and a quick quiz to make sure you understood everything.
Remember, use will plus verb to make decisions at the moment of speaking, to make offers, and to make promises.
Be careful with the verb form after will. It should be in the base form, without to or ing.
Excellent job with this scene. You're already making future decisions like a pro.
That's a wrap for Scene 2 on using will for future decisions. We hope you've enjoyed learning these essential phrases that will help you make spontaneous choices, offers, and promises with confidence.
As our listener challenge for this episode, we'd love for you to post a short comment using 2 of our target phrases. For example, you could share, I will help my friend with her project. She will be so grateful. Share your comments below, and we'll respond to as many as we can.
Remember, the key to mastering these phrases is practice. Try using them in your daily conversations, especially when making quick decisions or offering help to others. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become.
We're so grateful for your continued support of Chill Talk English. Your enthusiasm and dedication to learning inspire us to create more helpful content for you.
In our next episode, we'll be exploring using want to and would like to for expressing future desires. You'll learn how to politely share what you'd like to do and ask others about their preferences.
Until then, keep practicing those will phrases and remember that every conversation is an opportunity to improve your English skills. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Take care.